it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome and thanks so much for joining. Today I am excited to bring you the first video in December because it's Christmas season and it's my favorite holiday ever. Like, Halloween is great, but Christmas just takes the cake. Okay, so excited. Firstly, let me just say, yes, I did go back to black hair. It's a whole story for another time, but anyway, I just thought I would mention that. Secondly, today I'm so excited because I'm going to be revamping some, or redecorating, or we're revamping some Christmas ornaments. So last year I did a video where I decorated my Christmas tree, the one behind me, and I had some pink and gold ornaments. And then this year I'm just not really feeling the pink. So instead of going out and buying more ornaments, which I definitely don't need, I decided, why not just try and change the pink ornaments that I already have. So hopefully with the help of some spray paint, some glitter, and luck, this will turn out really nice. So let's get started revamping Christmas ornaments. Also, I just want to say I have not figured out how I'm going to do this yet because it's really cold outside and I don't want to go outside and take all of the supplies down to spray paint outside in the parking lot. I'm not actually sure that I can do that anyway. So I'm just going to try to do it in my apartment, put a bunch of plastic so I don't spray paint everywhere. So yeah, this is gonna be so fun. Can't wait. Okay, so here's what I'm starting out with. I've got my ornaments, some spray paint, and some spray glitter. I got both of these off Amazon because I'm lazy and I didn't want to go to the store, but this is super cheap from the store. I'm pretty sure I saw one at Walmart for $1.98 or something like that. So yeah, if you want to go to the store and pick that up, you definitely can. Then I have a pair of gloves and then some plastic bags that I'm going to hopefully use to protect my stuff. Okay, sorry about all the noise outside. They're doing construction or something. But here's my setup. It's a little janky. I will explain. Okay, so here we have our plastic bag that is in a little pouch and taped to the window and the ring light. Okay, and then we have a string that goes all the way across the window. Take in the view for a second. Oh, gorgeous. We love it. Okay, so my idea is spray paint the ornament, in here in the white, and protected, and then hang it up all the way across the window so then it can dry and not drip all over the place. Okay, I think this is gonna work. Let's test it out. Okay, I also grabbed some aluminum foil so that I can wrap these this little part, the gold part, so that it doesn't get spray paint on it. Okay, so I've got my gloves on and I just took a little strip of aluminum foil and I'm just gonna rip a little piece like this and take this and just cover this gold part. So hopefully this works out. If not, then I'll just spray paint the whole thing. Not the end of the world, but we'll see. It's so tiny. Okay, that works. So just squeeze it on top. And I'll probably do this for all of them before I start spray painting because my gloves are gonna definitely have paint on them. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that really quick. Okay, new development. These babies come off. Look at that. So I did not know that they could come off. I thought that they would break if I pulled it. So I'm definitely gonna pull these off instead of using foil because that just takes, less time. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna use the black spray paint first. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this took me 5 minutes to get open, but it's fine. I'm going to try and spray paint one of these foiled babies, this one. I thought maybe I shouldn't pull it off because I need something to hold on to when I'm spraying it, to get it even all the way around. And maybe me holding it can protect it. I don't know, I just don't really feel like putting foils all the way around. Anywho's, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this baby and let's see how this goes. Okay, so update. I'm going to show you a little bit. Can you see these? Okay, so this one right here is a glass ornament and it sprays so much better. And then these are the plastic ones and you can still see like the design. I mean, I like the gold, so this one I might keep, but this one, I don't know. I mean, it's looking better as it's drying because it's textured, but I definitely like the glass ones more. Sorry, this is such a weird angle. I was trying to show you guys because like the sun is behind the window, so it doesn't look good when I flip the camera around. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna keep going and hopefully this works out. Also, I'm definitely thinking to put some foil under this bag because there's a lot of paint like just dripping in here. So yeah, also I hung these ornaments right above the plastic. Can you see that? So they're dripping. I'm definitely gonna put some aluminum foil all the way down my windowsill so that it can drip on there as well. So yeah, just thought I'd show you guys that little tidbit. I love all the angles in this video. Do you like it? Okay, so checking in, I'm not anywhere close to finish, but what I wanted to show you was I have a system now. So this one, where's my finger? This one right here is the newest that I just sprayed before I started recording, and then this one right here is older, and these were already there, so they're in the middle. But I'm basically just like spraying them here, letting them drip a little bit on the plastic, and then slide them down the line. And then I have, can you see the foil? Where's my finger? There we go. The foil all the way on the windowsill so that if it drips, it's not like making a huge mess. So yeah. Another thing, so they're taking longer to dry because it's been about 10 minutes and they're still wet. So I'm going to leave them while I go to work. I'm gonna leave them hanging up. Hopefully they don't fall down because that will be a bummer. But then when I come back tonight, I'll spray paint them with this gold spray, shimmer spray, and leave them up to hanging them up to dry again. And then tomorrow I should be able to put them on the Christmas tree and, you know, be finished. So yeah, I should have started this earlier, but you know, procrastination. You guys, it fell and my ornaments broke. I'm so sad right now. I feel like I should just buy some. Oh, my glass ornament shattered. But look at this paint job. Oh, I'm so sad. Oh my god. And it's literally everywhere, like all in my carpet. Oh, I'm so disappointed. I go to the bathroom for 5 seconds. Oh, I'm so sad right now. So we've kind of fix the situation just a little bit. Do you see all my shattered ornaments? I'm so sad. Okay, so basically I tied the string around the handles of my window so they're like much lower. I now have 1, 2, 3, 4 glass ornaments left. I'm very sad because those are my favorite. So I'm probably going to end up buying some more black ornaments, but in the meantime I'm just gonna finish painting these plastic ones. Anyways, yes, so we fixed the situation and I'm just gonna keep going and then let these dry and then spray paint them. But I'm so sad they broke. Sorry about the noise again. Anyways, I'm all finished. I obviously have less ornaments than I started out with because of the breakage, RIP, but I'm going to let these sit here and dry. I do have to go to work in about an hour. I'm gonna check on them before I leave, but I think I'm just gonna leave them up hanging here while I'm at work and then definitely spray them when I get back. But I'm excited. I'm definitely gonna have to buy some more because, you know, the breakage. I'm so upset about that, guys. I was so sure it was gonna like hold up, but anyways. So I definitely will have to get some more ornaments and, you know, more like Christmas decorations. I want to get some ribbon and stuff. But anyways, yeah, this is where we are right now. So just letting them dry, and they look cute on the window, honestly. Okay, so it's like 1 o'clock in the morning and I am so tired. I just got home from work. I'm definitely not gonna be spray painting anything tonight. I am exhausted. So I will just finish tomorrow and upload tomorrow as well. It's gonna be a great weekend. These are all dried, and I'm just gonna go ahead and spray paint them with the gold glitter. For this one, or like these more textured ornaments, I'm thinking to try and spray the glitter, but because the pink is still showing, I may spray it again with black. But I'm gonna try and see just like if the glitter kind of takes away from the pink. If not, then I may respray them with black and then try again. But yeah, same setup as yesterday. I'm just gonna like open this out. Oh, that's really hard. Oh, I'm just gonna open this out and then spray on there. Okay, so I'm trying to show you guys what these look like without having a massive backlight problem. But here they are, spray painted with the gold. I kind of am obsessed with these. Wow, look at this, so shimmery. And they're dry. I just touched them and they worked out. So yeah, some of them have like more heavy glitter. Like this one is pretty much just gold, and then this one just has a little bit. It took me a while to kind of figure out the spray paint technique, but look at this one, my lonely glass ornament. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and pop these on the tree and then show you guys the final product. I mean, I guess this is the final product, but I want to show you them on the tree. Okay, I'm filming this outro before I finish the video because by the time I get back, it's gonna be pitch black outside and I'm not gonna have makeup on. Anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to share it with your friends and family. Make sure to click the subscribe button, the notification bell, so you're notified every time that I post a new video. If you have any questions or comments, you can drop them down below, or you can hit me up on social media at Sparkling Alex. Make sure to check out my other videos because they're pretty cool, at least I think so. And yeah, I think that's all I have today. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video, okay?